All right. Hope all of you had a great weekend and spent some quality time with the family and loved ones. Let's start with the DXY. My perspective was taking out these highs for last week, and that's what we did. And we're heading down. There's on lower time frame, there's a liquidity area around these areas for more continuation of the up move. Still looking towards continuation of the up move, but we might have something like this. I explained earlier in the group that this can just be a retest and continuation to fill the wick above here, then coming back down to grab this liquidity down here. If I'm not mistaken, we did that on this one. So you see, came back up, came back down. So would love the same thing to happen over here. Retest, come back up, come back down, grab that liquidity. So that's what I'm looking for, but expecting this is just everything is three-wave move according to the way I look at the market, but I'm expecting something like this, guys, and then continuation of the up move. Let's see if it's gonna play out. I will intraday the short, watch these areas for continuation. If you want to swing trade, that's your key area. Pound USD, looking at the same thing, looking at this area. Why this area? I explained that in the Discord. More than welcome to come and join for more continuation of the down move. You can trade this, of course, and you can, but don't miss the short as a swing trader too. Euro USD, the same thing, looking to retest this area and then continuation of the down move. We can just retest this area, it's more than enough, guys. But same thing as the DXY, looking something like this, retest it, fake out and reverse. Expecting this around Thursday or Friday for this to happen, unless if we have some major moves, the same volatility that we had on Friday. That would be, we just expect around Tuesday, Wednesday for this to start. So it all depends. That's why we have the group. That's why we update on daily basis where we are, what we're looking for, and what's the intraday trade that you should be looking for. USD CAD, grab, looking towards these areas. That's a key area down here for more continuation of the up move. Same thing, same concept, different chart. Aussie, same concept, looking towards to take out these highs before any continuation of the down move. There's too much arrows here. Let me just clear them out. That's from the week before, and that was from last week. So as I said, if you are a swing trader, look around these areas for this. Intraday trader, you can trade towards this, trade towards this. Depends on your setups. Commodities. Gold. Watching this area for continuation of the up move. For continuation of the up move. Watch this to continue. Silver, the same thing. Silver, there's a setup, validity and invalidity of it. Break above this, close on this on the 8 hour. When it opens, retest, would take a long, first take profit here, second take profit here, and let it run. And at the same time, the candle, if it opens around these areas, retest, take your short. Let it come towards this area or these areas. So there's a key area here on the 8 hour. You need to watch it. Close above, look for your long. Close under, look for your short. That's simple. Don't need to complicate stuff. Oil, the same thing. 8 hour. Continuation, I would love to see this to break. Break, take it. Yeah, exactly. This time frame. Break, take it. No, it does not break, it respects it. Same thing as it did here. Take your short. Similar to this. So around these areas. For more continuation. It's not gonna go up straight, but as you can see, creates double tops, breaks them, retest, creates double top, breaks them, retest. Same thing, you just need to see it. Indices. US 30. We took out the liquidity that's under here. Retesting this weekly area. And nice rejection out of it. What we're looking for. I'm looking towards a retest of this area or this area where we are now. Build up of liquidity. Very strong momentum. When we start breaking these, I'm more than happy to continue looking for my longs. On Friday I traded short and I traded long. The short got stopped out on S&P 500 and I switched towards the long, and it worked out. I'm a day trader, guys, so I switch bias and switch. It depends on the setup and depends on the confirmation. The same thing as here. We're respecting this. Take for your long, first take profit here, second take profit above here. As long as we're respecting this. Maybe we have a retest and take it long. Break under, retest, short the bottom. A lot of people would laugh. Yes, short the bottom. S&P 500, same thing. we might have a retest of this area towards this, break under, short the bottom. All the same, nothing changed. Nothing changed. This I already covered inside the Discord. Gave my point of view. Now let's go over crypto. We indicated on Thursday that this is over. I was expecting on Thursday view either a consolidation till like Monday and continuation of the down move, or a very strong move to the upside, taking out these highs. And there's a potential, if we have continuation, we may take out these highs too. I explained earlier in the group, watching this area, we are in on lower time frame for this trade. There is a key area that you need to watch, any break and close under on higher time frames. All your analysis must be on higher time frames. So looking will be shortening. Let the market show you what it needs to do, right? When you start creating the bias and trying bias without understanding what's the market doing, where's the liquidity, you will miss a lot of trades and get frustrated. It's part of the process, but as long as you understand that it's part of the process. ETH. Also, there is a key area that you should be watching for a retest and break above these. There's a potential grab of this liquidity up there. Any break under, I'll be targeting these lows and even these lows. So you don't want to miss the short if you're a swing trader. If you are intraday, look for these. XRP, same thing. I was explaining this around Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, or Tuesday. We were around here, so I was looking for something like this, and that's exactly what we're having. XRP gives better example of key areas. So I'm watching this for continuation to take out these highs. Let it break, comes back inside here, and let this daily candle close around these areas. I'll go lower time frame and start looking for my shorts. It's very simple concept. You don't need to complicate stuff. Dot, the same thing. This can come down, retest, go higher time frame. Pretty sure there's a bigger candle that we just retested. There you go. And there's this one right here. So we might have this come back up, retest it. Retest the 2-day. Take out these highs before any continuation of the down move. Still looking for down moves, guys. As I said at the beginning, I don't know if I said it now online or offline, but we're just the move on Friday, Saturday in the crypto world that happened was just a part of the process, the trend is still like this on all, and the XY still like this. It's part of the cycle, part of the process. You just need to understand it and identify these liquidities, right? So you can be able to build your setup and your trade setups around these liquidities that you need. They are the engine of the market. So build everything that you want to trade, how to make money through around these liquidities. Anyways, have a beautiful week. Trade safe and be safe outside there. Crazy times we are in. And enjoy what you're doing.